Replacement of the compressor unit. Loosen the bolts in the motor skates to move up the motor. Remove the belt cover and the belts. Remove the flywheel. Remove the studs from the frame, in order to make room. Remove the pipes between the compressor unit. Remove the blow-down tank, coolers, and condensers. Remove oil pipes to the radiator, drains, and vents connected to the compressor unit. Remove signal cables. Remove anchor bolts from the compressor unit to the frame. Install the lifting hanger to the compressor unit. Dismount and remove the compressor unit to a safe place, leaving room for maneuver. Install the new compressor unit. Attach hanger to the new compressor unit and install it on the frame. Use guide pins on the frame to fit the compressor unit. Align the compressor unit. Install pipes and condensers to adjust alignment and tension of pipes. Tighten bolts of the compressor unit to the frame. Adjust pipes already pre-installed. Install steering wheel and adjust steering wheel cone. Mount belts, align. Stretch the belts and adjust the skate bolts in the main motor. Install oil pipes, vents, and any that remain linked to the compressor unit.